Good morning, guys. Today I'm taking my bike to work, so I'll take you guys with me. It's about the 11-kilometer ride from here. It's a Saturday, so it's still quiet right now. It's about 6 o'clock, and weather is perfect. I mean, not that hot. Right now it's 8 degrees and feels like 4, but it should warm up. Sun's coming up. Let's go. Also, I forgot. I'm gonna be wearing my Oakley Meta today. It's probably gonna take me about 25 minutes. Go to work. So, there's two different routes that we can take. One is through Queensway. I think it's a bit faster. The other one is through Lakeshore. I'm gonna take Lakeshore. Freaking cold and windy too. Now, guys. I don't know if you can see on the screen because the sun's glaring, but that's a detention center to my left. Stoplight na naman. This shit's not gonna go because there's no car in my lane. Gee, I might have to run this red, guys. Hopefully it stops. Fuck no. Alright, I can't wait for this. Don't do this, kids. Hey! I might have to cut this way, guys. Look. Coming back home, I'll take Lakeshore all the way down. Stop sign. All clear, let's go. I know some of y'all probably gonna be mad. Oh, he's not stopping at stop sign. This freaking cyclist not following signs. But guys, trust me, you wouldn't understand if you're not a cyclist. I wonder if I should go there or go straight here. Huh. I should just go on the trail. So let's go straight down. It's 6:30 already. I have about 30 minutes before my shift starts, and I still gotta change. Hey! The fuck, guys? People not keeping their dog on the leash. This is my mom's area. She lives in one of those townhouses right in front of the lake. Well, for those of my folks watching that don't understand Filipino, no, it's my bad. I mix up English and Filipino on my video. But I promise you, I'm not talking shit to you guys. Dito guys, pag hapon, pag marami tao, may nanguhuli pulis. Chinecheck gaano kayo kabilis. 20 km/h lang yung limit dito. Oh, that's why there's pylons. Nilagyan na pala nila ng parang island or gutter. Buti lang nag-thermal top ako guys. Kasi malamig talaga. Tatawid na tayo soon. We're gonna cross going to Queensway. Ay, may mga cyclista rin guys, oh. Perfect timing, let's go. Saan kaya ito sila? Doon tato ng High Park. Hey guys, remember my last video? It was in High Park. Doon yan sila akyat. Ano, ang dami nagbabikes doon. Hindi siya marunong mag-blitz guys. That's okay. We all started somewhere. Oh. Hiningal ako daan. Dito na tayo sa work ko guys. I'm gonna cross going to the other side. Pasok muna ako dun sa kabilang building guys. I'm gonna go change there. Dito na guys. Nakakatakot dito kasi wala akong mga tao. See you later, yo. It's time to go home, guys. Uwi tayo, may kasama ako, kawork ko. Si Tenzin. Yan o. Let's go.
Okay, take care.
Let's see ya. Is that an e-bike, Tenzin? Is it e-bike?
What?
I thought it was a manual bike. We're gonna cross here? Naka e-bike siya guys. Kala ko manual bike. Nakahabol ko siya eh.
You want soccer?
Not really. I don't have patience to watch soccer. Heading to the trail, guys. Hindi tayo daan pa uwi. Ang daming tatanga dito, oh. Papagitna.
Ya, mira, man.
They can hear me.
Yeah. So you don't need to do this,
No?
right?
I still install block because sometimes the police will check, you know. Yeah, especially here. Dito lang tayo sa area ng mami ko, guys. Ang hangin. Live in this area, Kenzen?
Yeah. The first apartment. Your left.
Alright, see ya. And then... Wala kasi ng hangin, guys. Nakakalaspag. Tagal-tagal pa to bago mag-ano. Go. Patugtog muna tayo, guys. Stop na naman. Bahay na ako, guys. Nakarating din. Home sweet home. Yan natin sino sasalubong natin, guys. Gusto si Melo dito. Hey guys. Hi. Yeah, I took my bike to work. Hi, Millie Pie.
Hi.
Where's Micah?
Ow, Mel.
Where's Daddy Kiss? Micah Kiss.
No, me.
No, you?
Yes. Mommy, go to a concert.
Okay, go now. Daddy's gonna go inside.
Mommy, go to the concert.
Move, sir.